ऐसी बात नहीं है, ऐसी बात नहीं है। It is nothing like that. It is nothing like that. We can also say it nothing as such. Nothing as such. मैं नहीं मानता, मैं नहीं मानता। I don't agree. I don't agree. We can also say it I don't believe. I don't believe. उसे बुखार है, उसे बुखार है। He has fever. He has fever. We can also say it he is suffering from fever. He is suffering from fever. हमारे पास दो दुकानें हैं, हमारे पास दो दुकानें हैं। We have two shops. We have two shops. आज तुम स्कूल क्यों नहीं गए? आज तुम स्कूल क्यों नहीं गए? Why did you not go to school today? Why did you not go to school today? क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? We can also say it what's the matter? What's the matter? जरा मैं तैयार हो लूं, जरा मैं तैयार हो लूं। Let me get ready. Let me get ready. घबराने की बात नहीं है, घबराने की बात नहीं है। Not to worry. Not to worry. We can also say it nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. तुम्हारे पास बहुत साड़ियाँ हैं, तुम्हारे पास बहुत साड़ियाँ हैं। You have many sarees. You have many sarees. हमें खाना बनाना पड़ा था, हमें खाना बनाना पड़ा था। We had to cook the food. We had to cook the food. रोशनी को गीत गाना पड़ा था, रोशनी को गीत गाना पड़ा था। रोशनी had to sing a song. रोशनी had to sing a song. पिताजी को दिल्ली जाना पड़ा था, पिताजी को दिल्ली जाना पड़ा था। Father had to go to Delhi. Father had to go to Delhi. मैं भी साथ चलूं, मैं भी साथ चलूं। May I accompany you? May I accompany you? We can also say it shall I accompany you? Shall I accompany you? क्या शाम आ रहा है? क्या श्याम आ रहा है? Is श्याम coming? Is श्याम coming? हालांकि मैं सोच रहा था, हालांकि मैं सोच रहा था। Though I was thinking. Though I was thinking. इससे बेहतर कुछ नहीं हो सकता, इससे बेहतर कुछ नहीं हो सकता। Nothing could be better than this. Nothing could be better than this. हमें स्कूटर ठीक करना पड़ा था, हमें स्कूटर ठीक करना पड़ा था। We had to repair the scooter. We had to repair the scooter. आपको तुरंत यहाँ आना पड़ा था, आपको तुरंत यहाँ आना पड़ा था। You had to come here immediately. You had to come here immediately. समझ गए, समझ गए? Understood? Understood? We can also say it, got it. Got it? क्या राम अंदर है? क्या राम अंदर है? Is Ram in? Is Ram in? हमें उनके पास जाना चाहिए, हमें उनके पास जाना चाहिए। We should go to them. We should go to them. क्या आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे? क्या आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे? Would you like to say something? Would you like to say something? कुछ चीज़ें हमारे बस में नहीं होती, कुछ चीज़ें हमारे बस में नहीं होती। Few things are not in our control. Few things are not in our control. उसे मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, उसे मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी। He will have to work hard. He will have to work hard. उसे माफ़ी मांगनी पड़ेगी, उसे माफ़ी मांगनी पड़ेगी। He will have to say sorry. He will have to say sorry.